Hey everyone, my name is John and welcome to the Fuzzy Slipper, where today we'll be showing you how to make the classic gin cocktail, the Negroni. Roll that intro. Like the second cousin of the Old Fashioned once removed, the Negroni is a very simple 3-ingredient cocktail and consists of a spirit, something sweet, and something bitter. In today's recipe, we'll be utilizing Aviation American Gin, Martini Rossi Sweet Vermouth, Campari, and garnishing with an orange peel. We'll start off with 1.5 ounces of gin. Today we're using a tasty gin. It's from Portland, Oregon. It's Aviation American Gin. Pour it right into the mixing glass. Next up is 3/4 ounce of sweet vermouth. Followed up with 3/4 ounce also of Campari. Next up, we'll add some ice to the mixing glass and stir for about 30 to 40 seconds. Now we'll grab the rocks glass and fill it up with a couple cubes of ice. And then strain the Negroni over the ice. And then last, garnish with an orange peel. And there you have it, the Fuzzy Slipper's take on the Negroni. I'm John, make good decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when new content's released. Leave a comment down below, let us know how you like your Negronis, and also what we should tackle next. So Aviation Gin is owned by Ryan Reynolds, and after that dumpster fire of an ending in La La Land where he started with Emma Stone, this is such a comeback. It's incredible. Like, what next?